Lynn.
I thought you said lamb.
Lei Em Straight. Southern accent is Lei Em Straight.
I thought you said Lynn.
I have a very particular set of skills, and they all apply to drinking games.
Let's head out for the national anthem. All right, guys, let's get this started. First up, we had 4 players that were here last year, chosen at random. They got to choose to bring events back. Gigi brings back Who is the Imposter? It's a drinking game where you're gonna try to disguise the fact that you're not drinking vodka. There's 1 vodka shot out of 12. That's need behavior. You need to take a shot.
You make us need. What is that?
I vote for.
Mom, you're out. Was it you? Who was it?
It wasn't.
It was me. Rachel.
It was not me.
Ready?
Do we decide?
Rachel's
Only
not
like
here.
half of
It wasn't you.
Next up, brought back by Ashlyn. She is looking for someone to get a concussion again this year.
someone needs to give me a helmet.
Blindfold toilet paper dodgeball. We're gonna line up facing each other. Blindfolds go on. 1, 2, 3, go. You have 1 toss. Hope you nail somebody. Honor system. Watermelon explosion. Guess how many rubber bands it takes for the watermelon to explode. Number 4 is Domino Stack, where we're gonna line up dominoes and blow them out with the party blowers. Fastest time wins. 5 is knock the bottle, where we're gonna take pantyhose, put them on our head, and try to knock over 2 water bottles.
So that's not detergent, I'm smelling. For real.
Okay, ready? Go! Number 6 is a waterboarding challenge. We're gonna play Russian roulette, and we are going to knife balloons and hope it doesn't pop on you. The goal is that you're not the one you get splashed. Next is Tic-Tac-Toe Flip Cup. It sounds exactly as it is. Chug, flip, make the turn for tic-tac-toe. Balls. You're gonna wear shower caps, put whipped cream on your head, and your partner tries to throw cheese balls on your head. Whoever gets the most wins. Next is Coin Snatch challenge, where we're gonna line up quarters on our elbow and try to snatch them. Challenge. We are going to type the alphabet on the computer and see who does it the fastest. Oh, wow. Holy crap. Oh my God. Wow, that was amazing. Oh my God, you guys are so good. This one is brought back by Ashley. Blindfold, Gator, parking. Next is a Baby Bribe challenge, where we're each gonna have 5 minutes to find something to bribe our son with, and we're gonna line it up, and the first 3 things he grabs wins. We can do whatever you want, no restrictions. This is my one. Hey.
The baby.
The cupcake container. Whatever you want. Go get it. You want to pet it? What else do you want? Go get it. Go get it. Get whatever you want.
Of course the parents win this.
That was clutch. Drunk Waitress. You're gonna spin around 10 times and you have to carry a tray full of those waters. Dump the bucket's gonna be a relay where we try to get to the end of the line without dumping the least amount of water. 1, go! Start. Then cotton ball scoop, we're gonna be blindfolded and we're gonna try to scoop up as many cotton balls as we can. Cup pop challenge, we're gonna line up some styrofoam cups and you try to pop the balloon. There's gonna be 3 random balloons. Smash it and hope that you get the one with the balloon in it. Balloon distance challenge, we're gonna blow up a balloon and whoever goes the farthest wins. Water gun laser tag, I am proud of this one. I made this one up completely. We're gonna have water guns, we're each assigned a color, and we're all gonna wear white t-shirts.
Ready, set, go.
Oh, they're doing that too. Then number 19 is brought back by me. It's the Graceful Diving Challenge. So we're going to jump in the pool on the animals, hands up, and we're gonna try not to fall.
Let's go down. I got thighs of steel, girl.
I got thighs of steel. Thighs of steel.
And that's a wrap for the 2022 Summer Olympics.
After 19 events, Lei Em Straight defeats the Truffala Trees 59-48, with MVP Patrick leading the way. See you next summer. More details to come. More details to come.
I further believe that there should be a penalty for your team. I'm drunk. Allowing
Guys, count one.